Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation na Bishop and welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout natin Sir Nelson. So ngayon ang i-unbox natin, i-test natin is the WE Glock 35. This is Gen 4. No, it comes with free 4,000 shots, 0.23 grams airsoft BBs. And also comes with free na green gas number 12 standard puff dyno. Okay. 24 rounder capacity gas magazine. So ito po yung merong full automatic. Ito yung switch selector niya sa semi, tapos ito naman sa full auto. Okay? And fixed front and rear sight. Ayan siya, Picatinny rail for flashlight. Yan, with markings, may mga markings yan. Okay, Glock 35 WE, Glock 35 with full automatic. Okay, so testing po. Ito yung gas niya, inverted position pag magkakarga ng gas, 3 to 5 seconds. Ito yung kanyang bala or BBs. Airsoft BBs. Okay, so testing Glock 35 with full automatic airsoft pistol ng WE. Okay, Glock 35 WE semi-automatic. Firing. Okay, sa full automatic, baba mo lang yung switch. Okay, so wala na siyang bala. Open slide, release mag. Hammer down. WE Glock 35 Gen 4 gas blowback airsoft pistol.